Okay. So Little Gumbo, the Hlub is a dance group that recently started with the Hmong Family Society Inc. of Madison. And so this group was formed so that girls can continue to dance and explore what it's like to be a Hmong dancer, to be or not to be a perfectionist. The dancers learn many dance techniques and skills by putting all of those skills into one. We created a piece called The Little Sia Asia Bay. Traditionally, the Hmong New Year celebrations and festivities last a week long. This song talks about the first day, second day, third day, about singing, dancing, ball tossing, and performing Hmong arts. So let's give it up for Little Gumbo Hlub. 有几层我路学堂，有几层我路学堂，有路高。